How to retrieve archived emails in Gmail. So, the very first step is to open your Gmail app and then go to your three lines right here found on the upper left corner of the screen. Once you've done that, simply scroll down and look for all email right here. And then, as you can see on the rightmost part of each email, there are either inbox or no inbox label right here. So if it doesn't have an inbox label, that means that that email is archived. So what you're going to do is to move this email towards the inbox by clicking on that one. Click on the three dots found on the upper right corner and then click on move to inbox right here. And then once you go back, you may now see the inbox label right here. So again, if you see an email that doesn't have the inbox label right here, then that means that email has been archived. If you have this one or the inbox label, then that means that email is um, not archived. So that's it. That's how you can retrieve archived emails in Gmail.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.